Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome, handy husband Connor, and this is Finn, currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo sailing, living aboard our 1977 Seabreaker 50, one of only 7 ever made. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. And we are just getting started. Today, we have finally arrived in New Zealand after a 10-day passage from Fiji. I anchored there, I want to anchor there.
Everywhere we look, it just keeps getting prettier in here.
We will be leaving our boat here soon and flying back to California to have our baby boy. So then we can return as a family of 3 to Alivo and continue our circumnavigation.
We still have water left over, like plenty of water. We haven't even gone to our second tank of water yet, so we got at least 100 gallons left. And it's hot because we've been running the motor all night. And I just got to take the longest, hottest shower I've taken in I don't even know how long. That was amazing. And then this is also amazing. Look how pretty this place is. So beautiful. Nice crisp air. So back home we're always taught red right return. I don't know what happens. Maybe it's the other side of the equator, but everywhere we've seen ever since French Polynesia has been red on the left as you come into anywhere. So check it out. It's weird. I don't know where that saying comes from. Is that just a California thing? Is it just a United States thing? Or is the northern side of the equator thing?
Well, I just took a shower. That was the best idea. Connor said we got hot water because the motor's running, so you have to go give it a shot. He just came out fully refreshed, so I just dove in. That was amazing. Fresh, clean hair, fresh, clean body, and every time I come out here, I'm just like absolutely obsessed. It's so gorgeous. Like, I want to anchor there, I want to anchor there, I want to anchor everywhere. This place is unreal. Growing up in just outside of Seattle for most of my life, it just reminds me of the Northwest, but very different. Gosh, and I love that accent.
It's hard to understand on the radio though.
A little bit.
Everywhere we look, it just keeps getting prettier in here.
We went from super green and gorgeous to industrial. And look at all those pieces of wood. That is a whole lot of wood. It looks like that is a whole lot of sawdust over there. But on this side, still very green and gorgeous. Well, there's been a lot of tight spots we've gone through, all these tight passages. This might take the cake. But you can see, I don't know if you can see the water, there's a good amount of current here. All the industrial side over there. The greenness over there. Go.
He said this is the first civilized country we've traveled to yet.
Woohoo! And hopefully we can make it out of here because apparently, because with the full moon, it's an 8-foot high tide. And what's our depth right now?
Well, the lowest we saw was 13.
13 feet.
Or 12, maybe.
So if it drops 8 feet.
Yeah.
We're...
But we still, our depth sounder bottoms out at 3.2.
Yeah. True, true. Well, this is the first time we have ever done this, but I guess this is preparing us for future parties, I guess, out on the seas. Because we just... Our first raft up, yeah. We are definitely sticking out. We are a little bit longer than we should be, but we somehow snugly fit in here.
Yeah, that was a pretty good tie up.
Yeah, nice job.
We need to get better at filming all that kind of stuff because holy moly, that was a little bit hectic. Just getting out of there, just the wind kind of decided to pick up just enough to start blowing us into the other boat that we were rafted up to. Yeah, it took the whole village to get us out of there without doing any damage. So, and now we came in with an 8-foot high tide, and it was, you know, I think we saw 12 feet.
It's 10 right now.
And now I see 10 just consistently. So we'll see what we get to here.
And I don't know how I could have filmed that. I think I need like a little head strap for this action camera. But yeah, he did a great job. He did exactly what he needed to get out of the harbor or out of that rafting situation. But the wind started blowing us right back. And thankfully all the damage was, I think we kissed the dock just a little bit. I couldn't quite drop the fender in time. But we had like 4 guys all pushing, so it wasn't a hard hit. And
look at this stuff.
And this is where we're trying to leave now. And look how shallow that looks. When's the last time you think they dredged this? How crazy. What are you seeing? 8 feet. You guys, look. How are we getting through this right now? This is crazy. 7 feet. This is just sand and not coral. We are officially checked into New Zealand! Yeah, that's good.
There we go. We're in the industrial area, which I'm actually really excited about because that means they're going to have a lot of stuff to work on boats here. So this should be pretty perfect for what we need it for. We won't be working on the boat this year, but you know, when we come back, we'll be in the area and kind of good to get familiar with everything. Like they're building boats here. Malvina's walking around getting all the fenders set on the starboard side, because we just picked up to, it was just blowing 16.5 knots of wind just a minute ago, so that's fun. It's been windless all day, and now as soon as it's time to pull into port, we're gonna get it.
And just like that, we have arrived.
We're in civilization once again.
Yeah, I was gonna say re-anchored. We reparked the boat and redocked. How do you say it? We haven't been in a marina in a really long time.
And it showed on the way in here. I came in a little hot, but everything worked out all right.
And yeah, even from the Q dock being rafted up and pushed off, stress levels were high, and then we got it all tucked in, all put away, and now we were so hungry, so time to just quickly check in.
Check in
and get some food.
Luckily, we had some super nice neighbors that helped us stock too.
Yeah, our neighbors all came out to help us. They saw Connor coming around super hot.
It was 17 knots or something blowing, like. Now,
and then of course,
of a sudden, as soon as we dock, it's 5 knots.
Yeah, it was blowing like 17 knots and then completely died off. All right, let's go explore land. Ooh, how does it feel? You have jello legs or what? We're rafting up to at the Q dock. This was pre-fender on the anchor, but we bumped into
Soph and Slim?
Soph and Slim?
Slim and Soph?
Slim and Soph. Yeah.
Another YouTube channel.
We bumped into their catamaran just a little bit.
Just to say hi.
Friendly little kiss.
Pretty fancy, huh? Panhead Hazy Pale Ale. They're Harley fans here? Kind of looks like a Harley
logo.
Cylinder. A jug.
Look at that view. Beautiful.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the most custom solar array that I've ever seen on a boat. We feel like we're in civilization, but everyone talks a little funny and drives on the wrong side. So, I don't know if this is civilization, but we'll take it.
We kind of feel super silly because as soon as we got here, we're like pretty far away from the town basin. We're at Port Nico. It's about 2.5 kilometers. Immediately we're like, oh, we need a car. We need to call an Uber. How are we going to get around?
Far walk.
That's a far walk. We were like, how are we going to do anything around here? And then we were contemplating how we were going to get into town today. And then our boat neighbor came into the restaurant that we were at and she goes, oh, like you could just take your dinghy. And we were like, oh my God. We don't even think about that. So we just dropped the dinghy and we are gonna meet actually a friend from Mexico at a restaurant called H. It's like an Asian spot. It looked like they had a really yummy ramen. Yum, 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 yum. And try to get a few little groceries. So we did hear that it's a 5-knot speed limit, so hopefully we don't get busted because you know we're not going 5 knots.
We don't have our knot log on here, but we're so not to go fast. We might be going too slow right now.
Yeah. Hit it. So we're pretty sure that's where we're gonna haul out, and then Alivo will be probably kept up here on the hard for the next year. Connor's breaking some rules.
Breaking the law. But we'll stop once we get to a marina where it matters.
According to Navionics, we're going 14.7 knots.
That's only triple the speed limit.
A lot of marinas around here, so we're just looking at boats and seeing how other people do their biminis and solar arches and all the cool ideas.
Alpina's in her happy place. walking.
It's so beautiful here. Look at the playground. We'll come back with Finn here.
Finn's gonna be too young for the playground.
Yeah, so I'll push him down. I'll push him down with me.
We have found the promised land.
All this stuff, all in one place.
It's cheap too. Oh my gosh. It's cheaper than California.
I'm gonna get so many avocado. Hello, you can barely see us.
We just got quite the haul though. Went to the best store we've seen in, I don't even know, since Costco, Mexico probably.
Yeah.
But
And just had the most amazing dinner. If you're ever in Town Basin, go to 8. It's this Asian spot. Try the beef ramen. Ooh, delicious. Or the Wagyu beef. Both of them delicious. And then yeah, just literally got so
filled up
much.
the cooler, we got beer, we got strawberries, we got frozen blueberries.
I haven't seen a strawberry in 8 months.
We got
All the
steaks,
things.
chicken.
For 4 days, we'll be eating good.
And it all looks like fully sanitary, nicely packed.
And now we go home on our little dinghy ride. Gorgeous. I kind of love New Zealand. I don't think I ever want to leave. Next episode, it's time to put Alivo to bed, since we'll be flying out of New Zealand soon to have our baby boy Finn. Sails need to be put away, lots of reorganization, and even the boom comes down, leaving Alivo looking a bit naked. Ah! We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day, and see you next episode.